Hi, my name is Lynn Parker, and I wanted to show you one of the shadow boxes I have done this year. And this one's available in my Etsy shop. They're a great deal of fun to do, and sometimes I think that the pictures really don't do justice. So this is laying flat on a tray. And normally, of course, it would be sitting upright, but I couldn't figure out how to take the pictures and show you the inside of the boxes. So this is just a nice size. I can put the dimensions. Well, you can see the dimensions if you go into the Etsy shop. There's a label at the top with a couple little rhinestones in it, and then inside each of the boxes there is a story to be told. So the first little box is about Santa arriving, and if you just take a look at the edge, you can see that there's a Christmas wreath on the one side, and on the other side there is a mailbox. And yeah, he's climbing on the roof. He's going to go down the chimney any second. So quite a bit of fun. Little tree. Then just below that you have two long and narrow boxes, and these two long and narrow boxes are one's with Santa and Jolly and some candy drops, and then you can see some old buttons and some jars full of beads, just a couple of little bells. I think those are bells. No, they aren't. They are they're light bulbs. And then you can see Santa, of course, and I try in every shadow box I do for Christmas to include a hand-blown ornament. So, and then we have the tree, and if you can have a look at the tree, it's there's beautiful rhinestones in here. Beautiful, beautiful little clear rhinestones, and they are draped around the tree as the garland. There are some beautiful champagne-colored ornaments and some little pearls and some snowflakes, star on top, snowflake behind, and some sequins. And if you look down below at the bottom of the tree, you will see a nutcracker at the back, and then some presents. So you can see that there's the rocking horse and some little parcels, and over on the side we have a little teddy bear. So that's, you know, kind of magical. It's always fun to watch a little child look at these boxes, just because you can see their little brains just moving. Then down on the bottom row I have a series of 3 boxes, and the first box has a mirror in it, and you can see that it has a yummy Christmas type cake underneath a glass dome, and then there is a unicorn. You see the unicorn? He's up against the wall. And the next one, well, this is kind of nice. This one has 2 hand-blown ornaments in it. So we have a bell and a snowflake and a Christmas hat. And then on the end, I thought it might be fun because so many people, you know, travel at Christmas, or if you're lucky enough to live in a warmer climate, this is what you look at all the time. So I made there's a little sandcastle in there and some seashells. And then Christmas, if you can see it, is made out of little colorful blocks. And then down the bottom there's some more seashells and some sand. So it's just a fun little conversation piece, this is. And if you'd like to see more pictures of it upright, standing in place on a coffee table and so on, you can see those pictures in my Etsy shop. So it's finished quite nicely on both sides, and the back is well done as well. I've tried to make them, you know, a clean finish, and I've signed them so that there's only one of each of these. They are one of a kind. I'll never make another one because all of these little items that come into one of these boxes are things I hunt for all season long. And I never know what's going to go into a box until I'm making the box. So each scene is individual, and I don't repeat myself too often. Okay, so there's a look at one of my shadow boxes, and if you'd like to see more, you just pop into my Etsy shop. I'd love to see you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.